Mrs. Johnson.
Donovan?
Mrs. Johnson, what a lovely service.
It's not finished yet, Donovan.
No, but look. I've been thinking. We's both single, available people with needs and desires and requirements. And when we put our cards on the table, we will see that I is a man, you is a woman, I is a bull, you is a cow.
Ah, boy. You know, my cousin and I, we have a running joke, or I have a running joke. Laughter is the best medicine. The only illness laughter can cure is AIDS. With that being said, let's laugh some more. It's a Mrs. Johnson video tonight. No long talking.
Mrs. Johnson,
Donovan?
you's gonna need a bigger man than that to satisfy your needs, Mrs. Johnson.
I didn't know you were interested in gardening.
Oh, yes, I've always taken an active interest in the natural world. There's nothing I like better than to lie back and watch something grow.
Since my husband died, I find I get peace in my garden.
Well, I'd like to get a piece in your garden, too. Come on. Let me turn your topsoil. Let me trim your borders. Let me rummage around in your hedge. Let me erect a unnecessary water fountain.
Donovan, please.
Oh, hello, Mrs. Johnson.
Mrs. White, good morning.
I've seen her garden. It's nothing compared to yours. Her roots are dry, her bushes are overgrown, and God knows what that is swimming around in her fish pond.
Donovan, please.
Donovan a dog, you know man. Donovan a real dog. I kid you not. This is Donovan when Ninja Man talk about. All them a talk about Donovan, you know Dan? Talking about article of him. And this is Donovan. Can't even sing his song. Why would you kiss and tell, sir? My gosh, man. Don't honor Miss Johnson, you know, man. Jesus, Miss Johnson lose her husband and Donovan under her like a dog under you when they're hungry. That was not a good comparison. But anyways, on to the next video. Mrs. Johnson.
Mrs. Johnson,
Donovan?
you know they say travel expands the mind? Well, let me tell you, it expands other things too.
Donovan, I don't have time. I have to arrange the church summer outing before service this evening.
Forget the church. Let me uplift you. I'll take you somewhere you won't need no guidebook. You won't need no street map. You won't need no satellite navigation. Because my compass always points north. Let me put it another way. I, as a pilot with years of experience, come into my cockpit, admire my flight deck, play with my flaps, but go easy with my undercarriage. And then lie back in business class and let me slowly engage my reverse thrust.
Look, Donovan, I'm meeting my sister Esther any minute, and I don't think she will appreciate...
Come on. Let's set sail for the land of total satisfaction. Marvel up my hanker. Hoist my mainsail. And if you don't behave yourself, you'll have to walk my plank.
Over here, Esther.
I will lead you into new worlds. I is Sir Walter Raleigh. You is my golden hind. I is Alexander Fleming. You is that bacteria he left overnight in the laboratory.
Who is this man, Ruth?
Donovan, this is my sister Esther.
Don't worry, you know. I can fit 2 potatoes on my plate. I is Jamie Oliver. You is my 2 fat ladies. I is... It wasn't much of a trip, but what a fantastic view.
Let me say, Donovan full of style and pattern. Well, I guess this is not the Donovan Ninja Man was talking about and they are this. No, this Donovan is top tier, top class. Man full of lyrics more than Ninja Man sang them. Talk truth. Eh? Man get a knockout and make use of being on the ground. I look on that woman them fractal. Jesus. Esther. And if I Bible you come from, lady. Eh? That's why you're so strong. Anyway, we have one more piece of clip left. Yeah? Mrs. Johnson? Donovan? Me find the phone today. Alright, me find it.
I am going now to prepare a place. Mrs. Johnson.
Donovan,
Mrs. Johnson, what a lovely service.
it's not finished yet, Donovan.
No, but look. I've been thinking. We's both single, available people with needs and desires and requirements. And when we put our cards on the table, we will see that I is a man, you is a woman, I is a bull, you is a cow, I is a bear, you is a female bear. It's time for a spot of hibernation. Let me put it another way. Fate has thrown us together. Who are we to fight fate? I'm not a fighter. I'm a lover. I'm the heavyweight champion of love. I am Muhammad Ali. You are George Foreman. You scratch my back and I'll rub yours with a delicate mixture of jasmine, lavender, and bijou hail. And I'll rub and rub and rub.
It's all right, Uncle.
I'm sure your uncle will not begrudge us these deliberations concerning our mutual participation vis-a-vis sexual relations. After all, he is a man. He enjoys the company of women. Well, he pays for the company of women, but my...
This is not the time or a place.
Come on. I is a man. You was a woman. I is King Arthur. You was the round table. Here's a teapot short and stout. Here's me handle and here's...
And now, Mrs. Johnson will say a few words about her late husband.
I will keep your seat warm for your baby, all right?
That's it for Miss Johnson for tonight. No more. No more. The man a look Miss Johnson at her husband's funeral. This man have no limits. He's the same one where was the pastor at Miss Johnson's wedding when she remarried. And the man take where the man woman, which is Mrs. Johnson, at the altar. My gosh. No, sir. A Jamaican, you know? Yeah, man, I'm a Jamaican. He just have an English accent because he live in England from young. UK. Jesus, pity much. Me hope you have a good laugh. Jaja. Boy, if me see this man I come, me I hide me woman in a nearby bushes like a Jamaican gunman. Anyways, listen to me now. Me appreciate you watching. Me appreciate you guys liking and sharing and subscribing. Continue to do it for me. Respect and manners. Now stay safe. God bless.